Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Nadeem Latheef. I am from Kerala. I'm basically an Ather owner, so I have done lots and lots of videos about Ather. All of them are in Malayalam. So I just recently did a video about this custom-made mudguard for Ather that pretty much solves the mud splashing issue that Ather is very famous for. So after doing that video, I have been getting a lot of requests to do this video in Hindi or English. Since I am doing videos in Malayalam, most people from other states can't understand my content, but they are interested in some of these videos that I do about Ather. So since it's a holiday, I just thought I would reshoot this video and post this just for the people from other states to understand, and I'm sure this video will be very useful to a lot of Ather owners who are finding it difficult during rain due to this mud splashing issue. So let's get started. So guys, this is my Gen 2 Ather 450X that I have been using for more than 8 months. So let me tell you one thing, I haven't washed my vehicle in like a week. Maybe after fitting the mudguard, I haven't washed the vehicle at all. So this is the mudguard that I was speaking about. This is the all new custom made mudguard. This was basically made by two of my friends who are also Ather owners. They are also from Kerala. This was made by them. If you look from this side, it looks absolutely stunning. The mudguard absolutely blends in with the sportiness of the vehicle. So if you come to the other side of the vehicle, it looks fine because there is this huge cover for that belt drive we have. So the main issue of the mud splashing is that there wasn't much coverage in our vehicle. The stock mudguard only had coverage till here, so these portions were completely exposed, and also there wasn't any covering for the belt. So I tried using the TVS N-Torque mudguard and everything. I used it for some time. It was working fine, but still mud was splashing, and also since the belt didn't have any cover, there was a lot of mud in this area due to the belt cover. And if you now look at my vehicle after 7 days of using this new mudguard, there are some mud that has dried up on my mudguard and back portion of my vehicle, but this is nothing compared to the stock mudguard I had with Ather. This is nothing compared to that. If you are an Ather owner and you have faced issues with mud splash, you know how much messed up the vehicle will be after a rainy ride. This is something that I have ended up with the new mudguard after almost a week without washing. So this is actually an awesome result. I have been using this vehicle for 8 months, and there are a lot of friends who have been using it for more than 1 year, and you know how much messy it is when it rains with the stock mudguard. All these portions will be covered in mud. The suspension will be submerged in mud, and this back portion and everything will be covered in mud, and it was a complete mess. I don't know what Ather was thinking about, but they didn't care about this mud splashing issue or anything. Even the mud used to spray from here to the back seat and even to the pillion dress. Sometimes it completely ruins the dress of the pillion. So a lot of people were complaining about that, and even my friends who designed this mudguard had faced that issue. So they tried developing a new mudguard, and they tried for some time, and finally they have come up with this product. I just bought this from them. It is available in Kerala for 1,200 rupees, and if you are from outside Kerala, they will courier this to them if you pay 1,200 plus the courier charges. The quality of this thing is just amazing. They have done a brilliant job. This is made with fiber. This is completely made with fiber and fiberglass. So they have done a brilliant job. This is super strong. All you have to do is take out the existing mudguard and place this new mudguard here, and using the existing screws you can fit this in. It will fit just right in. What makes this mudguard special is this belt cover. That solves most of our mud splashing issue. The results of this mudguard is awesome. I am not saying that there won't be any mud splashing or anything. There will be some mud splashing, but when compared to the stock mudguard we had, this is nothing. and at the same time this thing is super strong, so it doesn't need any support. And even if a pillion sits on this vehicle and the suspension gets compressed, this back portion doesn't hit the mudguard or anything. There is no sound, absolutely nothing. They had done their R&D research and everything, and they have come up with a brilliant mudguard. Before fitting this mudguard, the vehicle would have been an absolute mess. You would have to wash the vehicle at least once daily. If it's a rainy situation and you take the vehicle out multiple times, you have to wash the vehicle 3 to 4 times a day, which is so inconvenient, because a lot of vehicles, some of these vehicles are using belt drives, some of them are well covered like the Ola or the Okinawa OK90. they are well covered, so there isn't this mud splashing issue. But what I don't like is that Ather did nothing to solve this issue. This issue was reported right from the beginning, even after the launch of the 450. Since the Gen 1 they have launched Gen 2 and they have launched Gen 3, but they still haven't addressed this issue, which is absolutely ridiculous. Ather has been completely irresponsible about this issue. This is a pretty good solution and I am completely satisfied as a customer. I am not just sharing this video as a YouTuber, I am sharing this as a customer, because I am an Ather owner and I know how messy the mud splashing is. So this is an absolutely amazing product. I am expecting much improvement in their next generations. So it's a shame that Ather didn't do anything and an Ather customer had to do this and come up with this mudguard. So guys, this is what I just wanted to share with you. I know it's not so easy after buying a vehicle for maybe 1.72 lakhs or something. Especially it's very expensive in Kerala. Here the new Gen 3 costs around 1.72 lakhs. So after buying this vehicle, you have to spend something on a mudguard. That is very inconvenient. This is something Ather should have addressed, but they didn't. That is absolutely ridiculous from Ather's part. I'm very disappointed with Ather because they didn't do anything for this. We have been reporting this issue for some time, and all they are saying is that this issue is only happening in Kerala. That's the excuse they are coming up with. They haven't introduced anything. So I bought this like a week ago. I installed it, and luckily the next day there was some rain, and the results compared to the stock mudguard, the results are amazing. So I'm not saying this solves the mud splashing issue by 100%, but at least 80% of the mud splashing issue has been solved. So hats off to Aji and Jineesh for coming up with this mudguard. So if you guys are interested in buying this thing, as I have already said, in Kerala it is priced around 1,200, and if you are from outside Kerala, it will cost you like 1,200 plus the courier charges. They will courier it to you if you make the payment. So if you guys are interested, place your orders. After getting your products, let me know in the comment section your feedback. So far I am getting a lot of response after the video that I did in Malayalam. A lot of people are happy with the results. Maybe a few are not happy because they were expecting a 100% solution for that mud splashing issue, but for me I think it's absolutely awesome. So I'm sure this video will be very useful to a lot of Ather owners who find it very tough to ride this vehicle in the rain. So if you liked my video, share it with your friends. So I will try to do some videos in English from now on. Time is a limitation that I have. Since I have a job, I don't get much time for doing these videos. That's the reason why I shoot most videos in Malayalam. So now I will start doing more videos in English as well. So until we meet again, bye.